Yung loop recording option niya is actually kung ano yung sinet mong minutes, yun lang yung i-consume niya palagi. So, say for example, 5 minutes. So, 5 minutes niya lang din, yung 5 minutes na yun lang din yung consume niya. Okay. So, 5 minutes lang ng 5 minutes. Pero hindi siya magdadagdag, hindi niya kakainin yung other memories, yung additional 5 minutes on your memories. Hindi niya gagawin yun, kumbaga. Ah, yung 5 minutes lang niya na yun, yung sinet mo, yun lang yung i-consume niya palagi at i-overrate niya sa looping. Yun. Now, I'm trying the drive mode. Yung drive mode, nag-set ka ng certain minutes. Tapos, yun yung gagamitin niya pang loop recording. Hindi ko alam kung yung minutes na yun or yung space yung magiging basis niya. Kasi, unadjustable yung ano yung minutes at saka yung uh, capacity in storage. What you can only do is move the slider, and then once ni-move mo yung slider, dun mo pa lang mapapansin na nagmo-move din automatically both the recording minutes and the capacity ng storage na kakainin niya, yung dedicated niya. I don't know if may iba pang setting yun, no? Pero I'll try to check since I'm very much new for Insta360 X5. So, ang laki ng ginam ko from X to going X5. Okay? So, yun yung akin. Now, let's see kung ano magiging resulta nitong audio recording na to. Putang, inang yan. Kung magiging maayos. So, it's a good addition on our rides. Kung sakali, may funny discussion, no? Okay. So, yun. Mostly exploring lang ako ng Insta360 X5. Okay, so the reason why I chose X5 over Osmo DJI 360 is, well, mas sanay ako gumamit ng Insta360 kaysa sa DJI Osmo 360 na yun, which is typically very much new. Okay, though alam naman natin na papag-aralan naman yung settings, editing, and so on and so forth. Pero yung familiarity ko on the 360 is one of my deciding factor. The specs there, alam mo naman natin, naging basis ni DJI Osmo yung mga lackings ni Insta. So, that's it. I acknowledge that. Pero, based on my experience and how the quality of Insta, I'll still go for Insta. Okay? Siguro after a few years, kung magkakaroon na ng bagong DJI Osmo 360, nagiging mas maganda na yung better quality niya, or mas magiging maganda na yung specs niya, maybe that's the time na ako ibibili ng Insta360. But for now, kung ano yung mas preferred ko, yung mas sanay ako, at alam kong matagal na on the market, yun muna yung bibiling ko. The DJI Osmo 360 is very much new. Hindi ko alam kung ano may experience natin sa kanyang bug, issues, problem moving forward. Pero that is for those new ones who purchase the DJI Osmo 360. Yan. Okay. So, hindi ko alam eh. Not familiar. Okay, so I'm honest on that part. Now, since I'm more familiar with 360 na Insta, dito ako. And maganda naman yung ako, hindi ako into those very high detail shit. As long as I can use that's usable, that's okay with me. I don't have any issue at all. Okay? And then as long as acceptable ko yung quality, acceptable ko yung mga shots niya, and I can do my editing and so on and so forth, na-enjoy ko siya, okay lang sa akin yun. Hindi ako masyado masela on those part. At the end of the day, it's the quality of the video memories yung hinahabol ko.